Okay, I know some of you guys were asking me about number 9 from the homework, and it's really not much different from anything else on that side of the page. For the difference, think subtraction. For twice a number, let's think 2n, and the difference is between twice a number and 3. So we've got 2n minus 3 is 11, so 2n minus 3 is equal to 11. Then, of course, we want to solve by adding the opposite of 3 to both sides to get our units together. There's the extra step to show the negative 3 and the positive 3 canceled out. Adding 0 doesn't change anything, so we rewrite and divide by 2. And now we'll check with substitution. 14 minus 3 is 11, so the answer checks out. I know on the back side the word problems can be intimidating, so I'll help you out with a couple of those. On number 2, the geometry problem, you're going to use this formula. Perimeter equals 2 times the length plus 2 times the width. And that really makes sense because perimeter is adding up the distance around a figure. So if this short side is L and this long side is W, when you add all the sides together, you'll have 2 L's and 2 W's. But the problem tells us that perimeter equals 26 and that the width is equal to 6 inches. So we'll rewrite those parts of the equation and then solve for L, the length. 2 times 6 is 12. Add negative 12 to both sides. Equal sign comes straight down. Positive 26 and negative 12 is positive 14. The 2L comes straight down. The positive 12 and the negative 12 cancel out. Divide both sides by 2. L is equal to 7. In number 5, you're going to want an equation that looks something like this. Here's the 2 hours that Coco spent on an assignment, and here's the additional time she spent on her exams. 4 exams, some number of hours each, is equal to a total study time of 16 hours. Add negative 2 to both sides. 4h equals 14. Divide both sides by 4. H equals 3 1/2 hours. For the taxi service, we know the total charge to the airport is $13.50. We get charged $1.50 plus 60 cents for every minute of the trip. The 10 miles is extra information. Add the opposite of $1.50 to both sides, and you get $12 equals 60 cents times the number of miles. A calculator will come in handy here. Divide both sides by 0.60 to find that the number of minutes is 20.